Welcome guys. All right, so I'm on the side of the road. I got a truck behind me going past, and guess what I got? A Tank 500. So we just finished this Tank 500. It looks pretty sick. You ready? So we fitted our Rampage Bullbar, full hoop Bullbar, aluminium, 32-inch light bar, 9-inch spotties, recovery points, integrated bash plate underneath. You can see under there, all right? So full aluminium construction to keep the lightweight down. We've also optioned it with our monotube nitrogen suspension, as well as a sexy looking snorkel. So real functional snorkel. It's got a water separator on the back of the snorkel head. So doesn't matter what water crossing you're doing, or when you're driving into head-on oncoming rain, the rain will actually come into the head, all right? And it'll come out the back. So look at that. So that's what that's for. So the water flows in when you're driving 100K on the freeway, and it won't go down into your airbox. As well as the Bullbar's got two UHF mounts. So one on that side, one on this side. On the back here, we've got the 33-inch King's wheel with a 285/70/17 Falken Wildpeak AT3W on the back, mounted onto our tyre carrier with a sexy looking ladder. In case the customer ever wants to put a roof platform, they can easily access the roof platform off the back ladder. How tough does it look? All right, let's get this back to the shop. I nearly forgot to mention, I just got back inside the car and I noticed we also installed the GME antenna and UHF, so check it out. So this is mounted to our phone mount. So this mount here can be used as a phone mount or a UHF mount. And the great thing about it is it clips to the factory dash panel without damaging anything, as well as its angle. So you can actually turn it and angle it depending on where you're sitting. So if you want it facing the driver, you can face the driver. However, in this scenario, we want it facing the driver and not the passenger. So there you go, that's how you use it. It's out of the way, clean, out of sight, let's go. While he was here, he also got our throttle controller. I just noticed, so you've got your 5 different modes on here, all right? So you got off, Eco, P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5. So that's how you adjust your throttle, depending on how sensitive or not sensitive you want it. That's how you adjust it. It's as easy as that. You can also order that on our website. If you guys need this done, head to our showroom. We've got one at Logan Home. We are going to be opening up around Australia and worldwide. We already are tapping the worldwide market. But come and check us out, you know. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like our YouTube channel. We do some really cool content. Check out everything we do, not just car videos. We go traveling. Peace out. Have a good one.